So, ladies and gentlemen, I'm back again, and we are talking about the next unit on this mock-up train. It's the train coupling system, which is highly exposed to weather, temperature, climate, combined with the speed of the train. So what basically is the ingredients for a high qualification material as well as a high qualified system? First of all, we have most of the time two parallel lines being guided into the train body or on the undercarriage, containing power cable, signal and sensor cables. Concerning the water ingress situation, IP68 and IP69 is actually possible. Here we see now the PMA Fix Pro being used due to the fact, as I mentioned before, high exposed area, making sure that we do not have any water ingress into electrical systems. Also, we have different types of coupling systems. This is one part, but sometimes we only have one line going in or different setups, and basically we have a large variety of parts which also being used for different designs. Now I would like to show you a movie with the IP water ingress protection.
So, you saw now this impressive movie in a dynamic test of our IP69 solution called PMA Fix Pro. And did you see this little paper coming out of the fitting was absolutely dry. But that's not the reason why I'm talking right now to you. I forgot, and that's the advantage or disadvantage of live stream, I forgot to mention that of course we are open for questions like always. We do this not live, so to say, but we installed an email address which is pma-conduitsystems@ch.abb.com. That is pma-conduitsystems@ch.abb.com, where we ask you to place your questions. Shoot as many as you like to, all the details you would like to share with you. Maybe we cannot share all the details with you today, but at the end of the session, we will have a question and answer part. And if there are too many questions, we will answer them later on. But some of the questions we would like to ask when it is kind of really fitting the topic. And now I'm cheating a little bit, because in the morning we already had a live session, and there we had a question from the coupling system side, where I think it's quite interesting and most probably good for all of us. The question was, what kind of form of fitting are available for PMA to have a solution on the coupling system? Hans-Peter, can you answer this?
Yeah, due to the fact that we have different designs on couplings, we also have prepared, and as I mentioned before, we have many parts in our product portfolio. So here you see, for example, a IP69 Fix Pro fitting, which has a 45-degree angle, getting off the coupling system, but there are also 90 degrees available or straight versions available, depending what type of design we have that the customer has actually chosen to be put on a train.